When capturing a point cloud, there are many different methods, many of which were covered in our last 2 videos. See the link in the description below. Still, there are 3 primary modes: single point capture, profile capture, and a complete area capture. Single point captures include all methods that capture only a single point of data at any given time, such as range sensors and some types of LiDAR sensors. Profile capture includes all the methods that capture a single profile of an object at any given time, such as sheet of light scanners and linear coded light scanners. Profile captures include an extra dimension of data where each scan captures a profile of data in space that could be completely represented with a 2D coordinate system. Finally, area captures return a complete set of 3D data for whatever is in view of the scanning device. Area captures include methods that take a complete 3D snapshot of a scene, such as indirect time of flight, 2D coded light scanners, and sequential pattern encodings. If you have any comments or questions, please drop a line in the comment section below. Thanks, it's been great having you here.